Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add widgets to your lock screen after iOS 18. And this is quite simple. So if I hold one app for 1 second, there's an option where it says edit home screen. Right now we want to click on edit, and right now we can do add widget, customize or edit pages, but we want to do add widgets. Now from here you have a lot of options that you can choose, and now for me, I don't know what I like to choose, but I want this Twitch Live Now option in my widget. So if I tap now on that and then do add widget, I just added a widget just right here from Who is Live. Now maybe if I go to this page just right here and I click on edit and do add widget again, maybe I want to add the clock just right here. And you can also choose which clock you want to add, so you have a lot of styles. But I want to see more times in my widgets. Now then I click on this and then do add widget. And then if I do done, we just have this timer just right here. And if I scroll to the left, I have the widget with Live Now. Alright guys, this is exactly how it works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.